We're making cake with rice cooker. If you don't have oven and you're a cake lover, that's the best recipe for you. Just look at this moist cake. It turned out super delicious. Let's get started. So first thing is to separate the egg white from the egg yolks. You do not want to have a pinch of egg yolk in the egg white. Once done separating, add sugar to the egg white bit by bit whilst whisking it. Whisk until it's firm up. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredient that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So as you can tell from the video, I didn't add in the sugar all at once, bit at a time until it is firm like this, and keep it aside. To the egg white, add in sugar and whisk until it turns light pale yellow or until it turns creamy. So this recipe is very simple, so easy, and you're good to go. This is what you're looking for. When you get to this point and then it draws a ribbon like this, that means you're at the right point. Go in with oil. I use sunflower oil. Mix until everything has come together before going in with the dry ingredients. So I added in a pinch of salt to bring everything together, and then I went in with vanilla extract. I sieved in the flour and baking powder. So the flour, I didn't add it to it all at once. I divided it into two, and then I added in half, whisk or mix until everything has come together to well combined before going in with the rest of the flour. This recipe is very simple, so easy. Sieve in the rest of the flour and mix until everything has come together. So what you have to do next is to divide the egg white that we whisked earlier on into 3 equal parts. Add it to it bit by bit whilst mixing, while stirring it, and then until you've added enough. So divide it into 3 equal parts. You do not want to add it to it all at once, if not it will form lumps which you will not like. So divide it into 3 and then add it to it bit by bit whilst folding it in as seen in the video, and it should be something like this when done. See how creamy it is, how light it is. This is well perfect. Before pouring it in the rice cooker bowl, make sure you grease it with butter or oil and then pour it in. Bear in mind, you do not want to make it that much. This is a huge rice cooker. That is why I use 8 eggs. But if you are doing it like in a smaller rice cooker, you want to use 4 eggs. You don't want to make it plenty. If not, it will get burned at the bottom of the rice cooker and then it wouldn't cook all the way through. So don't do it that much. Fill little or use 2 or 3 eggs and then try if it is okay before doing maybe more. So that's what you're looking for. It should be something like this when done, and it was delicious. It was super moist, it was super delicious, and I hope you will try it. Please don't forget to share, comment, and follow my page. Bye.